Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Math Boy. Today we are going to study about the mathematics of the class 7 taken from the NCERT book. The name of the topic is rational numbers. Let's start the video. Before the rational numbers, there are four number systems. Okay. The first number system is the natural numbers. Natural number system is a number system which contain numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the infinity. So if we have the natural number system, why we go for the whole number system? The reason behind that is in natural number system there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and the number beyond that. But it not consider the 0. To consider that 0, we develop a new number system, that is whole number system. So whole number system contains 0 and all natural numbers. So next number system will be the integer numbers. So why we go for the integer numbers? So in whole number system it contains 0 and the natural numbers, but not consider the negative numbers. To consider that negative numbers, they form the integer number system, which contain negative integers, positive integers with 0. This is the integer number system. Then again there is a fractional number system. Between the two integers, that means from -1 to -2, there again n number of the numbers which are in the form of p upon q, that means numerator upon denominator system. They are that called as fractional number system. The numbers which contain numerator and the denominator, and both the numerator and denominator are the positive numbers. So now we have all this system. Why we go for the rational number system? So why we go for the rational number system? If we have all these number system, then what the need of this rational number system? So why we need rational number system? So as we see, the last number system is the fractional number system. Fractional number system which contain numerator and the denominator. But the condition for the fractional number is that the numerator must be 0 or positive numbers. And denominator must be positive number only. Positive numbers. And not 0. So for fractional number, numerator must be 0 or positive number, and denominator must be positive number only, not 0 or negative numbers. So what about the negative numbers? If we have a number whose numerator or denominator is a negative number, so that number is considered in the rational number system. To consider all that numbers which contain negative numerator and negative denominator, such like -4 upon 3, 4 upon -8, all these numbers should not consider in the fractional number system. So to consider these numbers, we have rational number system. So simply the rational numbers are the numbers which in the form of p upon q, that means which have a numerator and denominator, and whose numerator should be positive number or negative number or 0, and denominator should be positive number or negative number, not 0. So again, for the rational number system, the form of the number is in the form of p upon q, that means a numerator and denominator. And for the numerator, the numbers it will be positive number, negative number or 0. And for the denominator, the number must be positive or negative, but not equals to 0. Now we will see equivalent rational numbers. Till now we see the rational numbers, what its need. So the next topic is equivalent rational numbers. So by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by same non-zero integer, we get another rational number, and that number is called as equivalent rational numbers. That means if a rational number is multiplied by a same non-zero numbers to the numerator and denominator. Let's take an example. Just take -2 upon 5. This is a rational number. So to find out an equivalent rational number for this number, we multiply this number by any number, but it should not be non-zero. It must be the non-zero. It should not be 0. That means I take here just take 7. So multiply numerator by 7 and again denominator by the same number, that is 7. It will give -14 upon 35. So -2 upon 5 is equals to the -14 upon 35. And that means -14 upon 35 is an equivalent fraction of this -2 upon 5. Now we will see some numerical examples regarding the rational numbers. The first example is list of rational numbers between -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. So we have to find the rational numbers in between -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. To find out the rational numbers in between these two rational numbers, first we have to make their denominator same. For that we multiply these 3 to this numerator and denominator, that means -4 upon 5 into 3 upon 3. And for -2 upon 3 we multiply by this 5 upon 5. So it will become -12 upon 15 and it will become -10 upon 15. So now we have same denominator. So the rational numbers in between -12 and -10, that are -12 upon 15, -11 upon 15 and -10 upon 15. This is the rational numbers between these two. That means the rational number in between -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3 is -11 upon 15. Okay. The second example is -1, 0. So again we have to find the rational numbers between -1 to 0. How we will calculate? We will find the equivalent fraction again. That means we multiply this -1 by any number. Let's take -8 or 8 upon 8, and 0 is considered as it is. As we multiply any number to this 0, the answer will be again 0. So we take as it is. So the answer will be -8 upon 8, 0. So the rational numbers in between -8 to 0 are -8 upon 8, -7 upon 8, -6 upon 8, -5 upon 8, -4 upon 8, -3 upon 8, -2 upon 8, Okay, minus 1 upon 8 and minus 0 upon 8. 0 never will be the minus. So 0 upon 8 is again become 0. So these are the numbers which are in between minus 1 to 0.